Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that stores your Gmail contacts. Once signed in, open Contacts. Google.com or click Contacts from the left menu in Gmail. This takes you straight to the Contacts app. Make sure Account Sync is enabled on your device if you expect mobile contacts to appear. If multiple Google accounts are present, pick the correct profile at the top. This ensures you're viewing the right contact, set before exporting or editing. Once the Contacts view loads, select the contacts you want by using checkboxes or choose All Contacts for everything. Then click the Export option found in the left sidebar or More menu. Google will ask you to pick a format. Choose Google CSV when you plan to re-import to another Google account, or select vCard if you need to load contacts onto an iPhone or Mac OS. Make sure you pick the right group and confirm the download location so you can find the file. To finish, import the exported file into the target account or device by choosing Contacts Import and uploading the CSV or vCard you saved. Once imported, back up that file to Google Drive or an external disk so you can restore quickly. If contacts don't appear, make sure you're in the correct account and examine labels and merged contacts. Also verify sync settings on mobile and web. If problems persist, re-export from the original account and try the import again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.